Tired of microwave mess? Meet the 2-in-1 Adacom Microwave Place Mat and Cover. Reason 1. It keeps your microwave spotless and prevents splatters. Reason 2. Multi-purpose. Use it as a trivet, pot holder, or spoon rest. Reason 3. Safety first. Fetch hot bowls without burns, thanks to the mat. Made from food-grade silicone and PP plastic, it's durable and safe. Vented design ensures even heating and easy handling with the top handle. Collapsible and compact, it fits most bowls and plates effortlessly. Dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after every use. Perfect for busy kitchens, health-conscious cooks, and professional chefs. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Click to buy now. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Adacom microwave mat today. Don't wait. Transform your kitchen routine with this versatile tool. Find the product link in the description.